Oh, yeah. All right. Zucchini season. Started picking 2 weeks ago. We're gonna run up here. Dang! Wow, they grew a lot today.
Like, what the heck? Look at that dude! So absurd. What is that?
Wow, that one got huge. So you can take something like that to market, and certain people will prefer the larger ones for grilling, but anything larger than that I throw in the compost. But I'm actually surprised. We just picked these yesterday morning. This is a good size right here. We got that size and this size. Those are the two sizes you're going for next to each other. What's going on, Claire? Those are perfect. So in this video, I just wanted to share one of the crops that we grow, zucchini, super common crop, and you'll just kind of see a few things that go along with how we grow it, pick it. It requires, a lot of dedication. If you don't pick your zucchini, you get really large zucchini, and they're unsellable. And zucchini, if you look through the catalogs, they have names like cash flow or payroll, and it's just kind of funny. I mean, they're so prolific, and if you can sell them, it is a money maker. So check it out. I wanted to show you in the middle of the day a couple things to look for. On a hot day, you want to see leaves standing straight up. So like even the angle of the leaf is pointed up. If it were droopy and folded over, that would tell you that you weren't watering enough. And then you want to see nice straight fruit that's kind of even in diameter. And then this is something to look for too, like this immature fruit right here it's got kind of a fuzz to it, and again it's the same diameter. You don't want to see any tapered pointing fruit. That tells you that you don't have enough water if it's pointed. And then you don't want to see like a bubble here and then like a thin spot, bubble back here, because it'll show you in 3 days or 2 days, it'll show you fluctuations in water. So you want to keep your watering really even on zucchini.
On that squash, what's the size that you want?
Yellow squash?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good. What are we screaming about? What are you doing? Huh? Found one. Found one. What you got?
You want ones this size?
Yeah. Go first. This was yesterday. This is today.
Hello.
Here's the hole.
You almost always want to go two ways.
Oh.
What are we doing, Claire? Hmm? All right. One goes that way. One goes that way. Put a cinch trap here. And I got a gophinator for the other one. It's like 88 today, which is nice temperature. But if it were like 95, then you would want to have more irrigation on these. We added a second drip line. So the first drip line is under the plastic. And when you set the transplants into the ground, that piece of drip line is right next to the plant. And you can see it's moist in there. When the plants become full size like this and you want to get maximum production out of them for several months, just about a week ago we added a second line outside of the plastic shoulder because the roots of the plant are plenty big to get into the pathway a couple feet away, and then that unlocks. You can see this band right here of wet dirt. Even though there's weeds, there's a good foot wide band of new wetted area. So all those nutrients that are in that surface area, about 3 or 4 inches deep, the water goes below that, but the top 3 inches is the most bioactive, so it releases the most nutrients. And that by putting the water here in a new zone, you're shifting the root feeding from right up against the plant where it's been exhausted out to the edge where there's new nutrients that haven't been tapped into yet. Hey, you can't say that. We want them all. You're fine.
Can't even handle that much. That's really what it is. Like, we physically need a break. We can handle how much.
Got to pull the flower off the tip, and I like a nice clean. That's not like clean, but it's flat. If you twist them, you get a long little stem here, and I'm all about the little flat top. All right, well, after 10 weeks of harvesting, this is the zucchini patch. It's still going pretty strong. We do have new starts in the greenhouse that we will be putting in the ground in the next week, and it is mid-August. Okay, so we're wrapping up our zucchini video.
Okay.
Because it's, zucchini can be a little bit boring. So
Zucchini's not boring.
All right, so that's what I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
Is what do you have to say about picking zucchini this year?
I already told you, Zucchini's a freak.
Okay.
Zucchini took me for a ride this summer,
All right.
and I won't forget it.
Okay. So,
I would definitely not pick in shorts next year.
no shorts.
And I would always wear long sleeves.
Long
'cause
sleeves.
The cuts up, like the little micro cuts, it does hurt.
Yeah. I mean, I've always felt like zucchini is like so common, and people are so familiar with it that it has to be on the table because people naturally want to buy zucchini just like they want to buy cucumbers and carrots.
Sure.
Did you feel like at the market that people were? I mean, it was a
popular. Yeah, it was popular. We sold a lot of zucchini, and I feel like even after we planted squash, customers were buying out whatever small portions we had available
of zucchini.
Yeah, so it was kind of an indicator that people were still interested in it.